plants are kicking out these fuzzy roots. You can see the root hairs all over, and they're really enjoying the spray. So I haven't had to do any real maintenance on my sprayers. I had one clog up probably about a month in, but that was the only one I've had any issues with. I just clean my filter once a week and haven't had any problems. So there goes the sprayer kicking on. This is the high pressure pump. We're running about 80 psi, and with that fine a spray, you're basically aerosolizing all the nutrients and the water. So there's our mister going on. I don't know if you can see the spray there. Hopefully we're not getting it all over the camera lens, but super fine mist. And of course we've got it on, like I said, about 8 or 10 second on time, which hey, to each his own. If you want to put an accumulator tank and a solenoid and set this thing at a sub 1 second time cycle, we can do that as well. Look at the mist coming off of our system. This is the finest mist of any aero system on the market. It completely fills the tray. Now, typically you would have 12 of these nozzles in position down inside your tray, and every time that kicks on, it floods your roots with the nice mist. And your roots are going to love this. It super oxygenates every time it sprays, and we include a really fine filter on here that is able to block most of the particulates, at least anything large enough to directly clog your nozzles. I'm checking out a high pressure aero kit and some gutters here. A lot of people have these old gutter sets sitting around and wondering what to do with them after the pump dies and the crappy little laser lines fill up with gunk and don't work anymore. So buy one of our high pressure aero kits, retrofitted with our drill bit and our sprayer heads and our pump into a gutter set. You can see the way that mist is floating around. And then take our stopper, put that in there, run these tubes back to your high pressure pump, and you've got a high pressure system. So